Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer money urgently and you were wondering if Commbank accepts OSKO? Well, if you're nodding your head right now, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Commbank and OSKO to give you a definitive answer. Let's break it down. What exactly is OSKO? It's Australia's new real-time payment system designed to get your money where it needs to be, fast. Think of it as the express lane for your cash. But does Commbank, one of Australia's leading banks, play ball with this speedy new system? That's the million-dollar question, or rather, the million-dollar transfer question. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why OSKO is such a big deal. Traditional bank transfers can take days, even business days. In a world that's constantly speeding up, waiting for money to clear can feel like an eternity. OSKO changes that. With OSKO, your money can be in someone else's account in minutes. It's like having a magic money wand, but without the wizardry. So, back to Commbank. Is this financial giant keeping up with the times? Well, the short answer is, drumroll please, yes. Commbank is indeed on board with the OSKO revolution. That means you can send and receive money instantly using your Commbank account. It's a game changer for paying bills, splitting costs with friends, or sending money to family in an emergency. But let's talk about how to do it. It's actually pretty straightforward. If you're using the Commbank app, you'll likely find an option for Pay Now or something similar. This is usually where the OSKO magic happens. Just select the account you want to send money from, enter the recipient's details, including their BSB and account number, and the amount. Then, simply hit send. It's that simple. Now, there might be some instances where OSKO isn't available. For example, if you're trying to send money to an overseas account or if the recipient's bank doesn't support OSKO, you might have to resort to traditional transfer methods. But for most domestic transfers, OSKO is your new best friend. One thing to keep in mind is that while OSKO is generally free, there might be some fees associated with it, depending on your account type and the bank you're using. So, it's always a good idea to check the fine print. But let's talk about the benefits. Beyond the obvious speed, OSKO can also reduce the risk of errors. Because the payments are processed instantly, there's less chance of details being mixed up. Plus, it adds a layer of convenience to your financial life. No more worrying about transfer times or chasing up payments. So, there you have it. Commbank does indeed accept OSKO, and it's a fantastic tool to have in your financial arsenal. By understanding how it works and when to use it, you can streamline your money management and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with instant transfers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.